Okay. So I apologize. My webcam is working, however, Screencast-O-Matic is not picking it up for some reason. I've tried it a number of times, but I don't know why you can't see me. So sorry about that. Today we're going to learn about something called Castle Learning, um, website that you might have access to. I had access to from my old school, and so what it is it's an online multiple choice test. They have short answers too, but the students can take it at home or they can take it online. It grades it for you, which I really like. One of my favorite things is that most of the questions, at least for the global history class that I teach in New York City, are all regions aligned. So I'm going to show you how to create an assignment or specifically what it looks like. So you click on assignments, that's the login screen. We're going to make one and we're going to call it new media, new literacy test, create assignment. And then I just want to show you what some of the questions look like. So we'll go to cancel questions. The thing I like is you have a lot of options. You can pick whatever assignments you want based on what you teach. So let's say this is a world history. I want to teach about yeah, let's do classical civilizations. And let's say we just did a test on Roman Greece, the Mauryan Empire, and the Han Dynasty. Then we can look at the questions and we get to pick what we want. So you make a test that has all regions questions. Um, and so all you would do is click the questions you like I like this question, or oh, I don't like this question. Um, and then you can save it to an assignment, and it'll grade it for you, and you can see when the student did it. You can time it, um, like let's say you want it to be done by Friday at 5 p.m. Or if you want to have an assignment and you don't want students doing it after the weekend, or you want to do it before the weekend, you can make the timing however you want it, and if they don't complete it, it them out. So these are all regions based, which I like. And, also have a lot of source questions to help you. But yeah, this is Castle Learning. So let's say we pick five, I guess. Then let's just pick two more. Um, okay, we've got a five question quiz. Okay, that's done, and then it goes to the assignment. And then you can look at it and assign it to students, or if you want to, let's say a student missed the test, they were absent or sick, you can send them an alternate assessment so they don't have to take the same test and maybe see questions that students already saw, or you could assign it to a whole class. So yeah, that is Castle Learning. The way I got access to it was through my old school. My current school does not use it, but I think a lot of schools would be interested in it. Other schools, my school doesn't use it because they use Google Classroom a lot. Um, but not everybody uses Google Classroom and not everybody uses Castle Learning. So they're both great tools. A lot. That's my presentation on Castle Learning.